Hey, second grade. So we are going to do some subtraction problems today, but we're learning a new skill. So today we're just focusing on this one problem, and we're going to pay really close attention, and then we're going to practice in small groups today. So we have 362 minus 9. Now I'm going to build this number today. So I have 300s. I'm going to build 6 10s. And I have 2 9s and 362. All right, I know you can't see my ones here, so I'm going to move the board. There we go. All right, friends. Now we start in my ones. So if I'm going to take away 9 ones, I'm going to start with my blue squares. Now I don't have 9 ones to take away from. I can't take away 9 from 2. 2 is not a big enough number. I have more on the floor. So I'm going to show you what you do in this situation. Since this is too small of a number, I need to regroup. So I'm going to take my 10 stick and I'm going to put it with my ones. But I can't just put it in my ones like that. I need to exchange them. So how many ones belong in a 10? 10. So I'm going to trade in I'm going to regroup my 10 stick for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now I'm going to add these 10 ones to my already 2 ones. And now how many ones, I'm going to move this guy up a little bit here. How many ones do I have all together now? Now that I added 10 to my 2. Let's see, we'll count them all together. I'm going to put these guys over on the side. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So when we're writing a problem like this, it's going to look like this. I regrouped one of the 10s, the one I traded in, and now instead of having 6 10s, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or one smaller than 6. So I'm going to cross off that 6. It's going to become a 5 on top. And now instead of just having 2 ones, I have 12, right? Because I added. So instead of having to count all the time, all you have to do, friends, is add a 1 in front of that 2, and now it is a 12. Because a 10 stick is always worth 10, so you're always adding just 10 more to that, whatever number is in your ones place. So now we have 12 minus 9. So if I take away 9 from this 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ones are we left with? We are left with 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. And now, right now I have zeros, my invisible zeros in the tens and hundreds place. So I still have 5 minus 0 is still 5. And 3 minus 0 is still 3. So your answer is 353. Now, here is where a lot of second graders make a mistake. Sometimes we look at this and we say, well, 9 minus 2 is 7. Now, we know, because I broke it down, that we didn't have 9 ones. We only had 2 ones. So that does not make sense. And your answer would become incorrect. It would be 367. And that is not the correct answer, is 353. So we have to be careful that when we have more on the floor, that we are doing all of this regrouping here in the tens and ones place. I know this seems a little tricky right now, second grade, but when we practice in small group, I promise you're going to feel so much better.